Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder. It affects how people move. It is a progressive disease. This means it gets worse over time. Parkinson's affects millions of people around the world. It can affect people of all ages. However, it is more common in older adults. The disease can cause tremors, stiffness, and slow movements. It can also lead to problems with balance and coordination. There is no cure for Parkinson's disease yet, but there are treatments that can help manage the symptoms. Dopamine is a chemical messenger in the brain. It is like a messenger that carries signals between brain cells. These signals help control movement, mood, and motivation. In Parkinson's disease, brain cells that produce dopamine start to die. This leads to a shortage of dopamine in the brain. This shortage disrupts the normal signaling processes. Think of it like this. Imagine a dance floor with people dancing to music. Dopamine is like the music, and the dancers are the brain cells. When the music stops, the dancers become uncoordinated and the flow is disrupted. This is similar to what happens in the brain with a shortage of dopamine. Without enough dopamine, movements become slow and difficult. Motivation and mood can also be affected. S-Acetyl L-Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect cells from damage. Think of them as tiny shields that protect our cells from harmful substances. In Parkinson's disease, brain cells are under a lot of stress. This stress can lead to damage and cell death. S-Acetyl L-Glutathione may help protect brain cells from this damage. It does this by neutralizing harmful substances called free radicals. Free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that can damage cells. S-Acetyl L-Glutathione helps to keep these troublemakers in check. P53 is a protein. It is found in our cells. It acts like a guardian protecting our cells from becoming cancerous. P53 does this by fixing damaged DNA. DNA is like the instruction manual for our cells. When DNA is damaged, it can lead to cancer. P53 helps to repair this damage and keep our cells healthy. In Parkinson's disease, P53 may play a role in protecting brain cells from damage. Research suggests that P53 levels may be different in the brains of people with Parkinson's disease. Section 5. The interplay? How these pieces fit together. Parkinson's disease is a complex puzzle. Dopamine, S-Acetyl L-Glutathione, and P53 are all pieces of this puzzle. They are all interconnected. When dopamine levels drop, it can lead to a chain reaction. This can cause stress and damage to brain cells. S-Acetyl L-Glutathione may help to protect brain cells from this damage. P53 may also play a role in protecting cells. Scientists are still studying how these pieces fit together. They are working to understand the complex interplay between these factors. Section 6. Mr. Smith's Journey. A glimpse into Parkinson's progression. Mr. Smith was a vibrant man in his late 60s. He enjoyed gardening and spending time with his grandchildren. About a year ago, he started experiencing tremors in his right hand. He also noticed that his movements were becoming slower. At first, Mr. Smith dismissed these symptoms as just a normal part of aging. However, as time went on, the tremors worsened and began to interfere with his daily activities. He was finding it increasingly difficult to button his shirts. He struggled to write legibly. He even found it hard to hold a cup of coffee without spilling it. Concerned, Mr. Smith visited his doctor, who, after a thorough examination, diagnosed him with Parkinson's disease. The news came as a shock to Mr. Smith and his family. He was prescribed medication to help manage his symptoms. But the diagnosis marked a turning point in his life. Mr. Smith's story is just one example of how Parkinson's disease can affect people's lives. It highlights the importance of early diagnosis and treatment. Section 7. Current treatments and future hope. There is no cure for Parkinson's disease yet, but there are treatments that can help manage the symptoms. Medications can help increase dopamine levels in the brain. This can help improve movement and coordination. Other treatments include physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy. These therapies can help people maintain their mobility, independence, and quality of life. Scientists are working hard to develop new treatments for Parkinson's disease. They are exploring new medications, gene therapies, and stem cell therapies. Section 8. The importance of continued research. Continued research is crucial for finding a cure for Parkinson's disease. Scientists are working to better understand the causes of the disease and to develop new and more effective treatments. Clinical trials are an important part of this research. Clinical trials test new treatments in humans to see if they are safe and effective. By supporting research and participating in clinical trials, we can help to advance the search for a cure. Section 9. Conclusion. Parkinson's disease is a complex and challenging disorder. It affects millions of people worldwide. While there is no cure yet, a deeper understanding of dopamine, S-Acetyl L-Glutathione, P53, and how they interact offers hope for the future. With continued research and support, we can strive to find better treatments and ultimately a cure for this debilitating disease.